Yeah. I don't. That you don't have to refrigerate. Yeah, I have. And I have where did you get Ovaltine? Chocolate milk. It's so good. I don't like that. Too hard. I can't. I've never heard of another Morelli.
Yes, that was like 4th grade. Are you serious?
Yeah, you have him.
Conozco la razón que hace doler tu corazón. Siempre esta canción me hace saber cómo va sonando poco a poco tu silencio. Vas a ver cómo va a
I think almost everyone knows that song.
Everyone can sing.
Are you ready for this?
Okay.